My name is Dr. Anthony Kleinsmith. I'm the formulator of all of the products for anti-aging, weight loss, immune enhancement, and regulation. I have a PhD in nutrition, and I love formulating. I do what I do because it's fun watching people change. And I know from years of experience, and in 40 different countries, that people will have a positive impact by taking my products. My products are based on a substance called colostrum. It is a pre-milk fluid that every mammalian mother produces prior to birth. We take it from bovine, cows, because it's anywhere from 100 to 1,000 times more potent in its constituents than what any human mother can produce. The reason why colostrum is important is because as we age, from the moment that we are conceived, now think about that question, from the moment that we are conceived, we begin to age and die. Why not do it with as much youthfulness as we possibly can achieve? Colostrum does that for us. You see, there's a certain tipping point, 30, 33, 35 years of age, where your body accelerates in its aging. Well, the reason for that is because many of the building blocks that our body needs to stay youthful have been falling off for years. Colostrum helps to bring those things back and put you into a youthful, balanced state. When someone starts our product, you may feel energy, you may feel focus, you may feel a lack of inflammation, you may feel a benefit in, say, joints, a reciprocating rise in lean muscle mass, which is directly associated with premature aging, the loss of it. So by bringing those things back, a functional immune system, better eyesight, better sleep patterns, better skin, better nails, better hair even. Those are the types of benefits that you can experience, not to mention very specific. You see, as we get older, our immune system starts to die off. There's a little gland in our chest cavity when we're first born. The little baby's chest is about the size of a man's big fist. The largest organ in that chest cavity, it's not their heart, it's not their lungs, it's the thymus gland. And it literally is the seat of our entire immune system. It's the thing that when our bone marrow produces a T cell, it travels up to the thymus and gets converted into an NK cell, or natural killer cell, among other things. The reason why I use natural killer cells is because every single person on the planet today has cancer. Everybody does. The reason why it doesn't kill us is our immune systems are functional enough to produce a T cell, convert it into an NK cell, and it goes out and gobbles up that cancer, killing it off. Well, as we get older, that thymus, which was once the size of a small navel orange, and that, you put the baby's head in one hand and the bottom in the other, it's about the size of a small navel orange. Well, by the time you hit 45, it shrunk down to the size of a pea. And by the time you're 55, it's just a little strand of tissue with interconnected fat, leaving you exposed. Well, the question that I ask people all the time is this: if I bring back the seat of your immune system back to a functional state, how much better off are you in fighting off disease, putting you back into a balanced position again?
As Dr. Daniel Clark says in his book, Colostrum, Life's First Food, the #1 killer in the world today is immune disease. The only way your body can contract any kind of disease is when your immune system has been compromised. Cancer, heart disease, diabetes, allergies, infections, autoimmune disease, ulcers, and even aging are immune related. If your immune system is functioning properly, your body will automatically heal itself of any disease. And when it comes to boosting your immune system, nothing on the face of this earth comes even remotely close to the healing power of colostrum. Colostrum is a thick yellow substance that is produced during pregnancy and is life's first food for all mammals. It is the most important meal in our entire lives, so important that most animals will die without it. Colostrum has been used throughout history by many cultures around the world. Ayurvedic physicians and the sacred healers in India have for thousands of years used bovine colostrum for both physical and spiritual healing. One Ayurvedic practice is to drop colostrum in boiling water and roll the balls in sugar. Northern Europeans prepared a special pudding made with colostrum and honey to celebrate the health of a newborn calf. Colostrum contains all essential fats, all essential amino acids, and is the most complete food that exists. Colostrum contains all known growth factors, which accelerate the regeneration and healing of all body tissues. Growth factors that help heal muscle, bone, nerve, and cartilage. They help the newborn grow healthy and heal quickly. Also in colostrum is all known immune factors, which supercharge the immune system and protect us from bacteria, viruses, and other invading organisms. There are an estimated 5,000 medical studies to date proving that colostrum heals immune problems, causes tissues to regenerate, and countless other healing benefits. Colostrum also contains every strain of probiotic bacteria that the mother has, and is far superior for restoring your gut flora than using probiotics. If a probiotic supplement was one instrument, colostrum would be the entire symphony. The immune and growth factors in cow colostrum have been verified in lab analysis to be identical in molecular combination to humans. Amazingly, the cow and no other animal is able to transfer these healing nutrients to humans and virtually all other mammals. Cows are universal donors of colostrum. Veterinary use of bovine colostrum has been proven very effective. Well documented is its ability to reverse disease in animals, and it may even be more effective than with humans. One of the biggest threats to our health today is disease-causing microbes and the untreatable superbugs which have developed antibiotic resistance. Virtually all disease-causing organisms are now resistant to the antibiotics we once used to destroy them. Bovine colostrum contains substances that are effective against many of the different microorganisms that are now resistant to the antibiotics on the market. The time for antibiotics is over. What we need instead is to enhance our immune systems and reverse the immune damaging effects of antibiotics. Nothing is better suited for the job than colostrum. Before the use of vaccines, colostrum was given to people to build immunity. A PubMed study has shown colostrum to be 3 times more effective at preventing the flu than the flu vaccine itself. If a pandemic were to break out in the world, nothing will protect you better than colostrum. Colostrum is the only food supplement that will destroy viruses, something no other food supplement or drug can do. Cancer is the disease of immune deficiency. Cancer cells develop in our bodies regularly, and it's the job of our immune systems to kill cancer cells before the disease can progress. The development of cancer means that our immune system was unable to fight the malignant cells that appeared. Colostrum's powerful immune boosting abilities make it hands down the best option available for cancer prevention. And if you already have cancer, colostrum is vital for you to boost your immune system, which will empower your body to fight off the cancer naturally. The immune system is our most important defense against cancer. Colostrum can destroy cancer-causing agents and other toxins in the environment before they can damage your body. For gingivitis, canker sores, and sensitive teeth, powdered colostrum can be applied directly to the gums with amazing results. Colostrum has proven to be extremely beneficial to athletes. An Australian study found a 20% increase in strength, stamina, and shortened recovery time among soccer players and cyclists. The growth factors in colostrum promote muscle growth, burn body fat, increase bone density, and speed up recovery from exercise and injuries. Not only is IGF-1, IGF-2, and growth hormone in bovine colostrum identical to human colostrum, but cow colostrum contains a higher concentration of these growth factors. Bovine colostrum also contains a truncated version of IGF-1, which is 10 times more potent than normal IGF-1. As Daniel Shawn of Iron Man magazine wrote in 1992, there is no other compound in the universe to date which can help you better than IGF-1. Not steroids, not biotechnology and its genetically engineered growth hormone, not releasing factors, Not even a strict diet of pure amino acid and glycogen. Plain and simple, IGF-1 is the be-all and end-all of anabolic peptide growth factors. When used in conjunction with exercise, colostrum is considered as powerful as steroids at increasing muscle mass, energy, and performance, but without the risks and side effects. Nearly 7 of 10 Americans are either overweight or obese. Since obesity is linked to so many serious diseases, weight loss is critically important for health and self-esteem. Colostrum contains all 87 known growth factors, one of which is IGF-1. IGF-1 stimulates tissue repair and lean muscle growth, increasing strength and endurance. And more importantly for some, IGF-1 stimulates your body's metabolism to burn fat for fuel, including your own body fat. After age 20, the amount of growth hormones your body produces begins to decline. By the time you turn 60, the body stops the production of growth factors almost completely. The body begins to age rapidly and the immune system declines. The New England Journal of Medicine reported that the most effective way to stop the aging process would be to replace the growth factors that promote normal cellular growth in the body. Colostrum reduces aging by replenishing your body's levels of growth and immune factors. It also detoxifies the body, beginning in the gastrointestinal tract, removing free radicals and metabolic waste products that cause you to age more rapidly. It promotes skin elasticity and keeps your skin looking young and healthy, including the ability to reduce the occurrence of wrinkles. It increases bone density. It speeds recovery from injury. Common with aging is mental decline, and IGF-1 found in colostrum is associated with increased mental performance. IGF-1 and growth hormone, some of the smallest particles known, actually cross the blood-brain barrier and help with nerve synapses in the brain, enhancing cognitive function. Growth factors like gonadotropin-releasing hormone and its associated peptide stimulate sexual response. Anti-aging researcher Dr. Benjamin Frank found in his research that IGF-1 found naturally in colostrum is one of the only substances known to stimulate the growth and repair of DNA and RNA itself. Growth hormone replacement therapy shows outstanding promise in reversing the aging process. Anti-aging clinics around the world have isolated some of the growth hormones and charge a fortune for this therapy. That's right, they charge you a fortune for something found naturally in colostrum. In human clinical trials with aged subjects, colostrum safely increased IGF-1 to pre-puberty levels, causing increased muscular growth and strength. Colostrum contains very small amounts of lactose, meaning if you are lactose intolerant, there will be no problems in taking it. And since colostrum is a food, it has no lethal dose and no side effects whatsoever at any level of ingestion. Everyone can benefit from colostrum. Infants, children, adults, the elderly, and even pets.